Hey guys, I'm Lokesh Shudal again with a brand new video, and today I'm gonna tell you about OPPO Find X. So without wasting time, let's get started. Nowadays what we see in the smartphone companies, the smartphone market, is that they are just going to the bezel-less phones, the bezel-less beauty. So to achieve that bezel-less beauty, what smartphone companies are doing, that they are just introducing new aspects to the phones. And just like Vivo, they just introduced the pop-up camera. There are some companies who just make that front camera to the low, and there are a lot of things. But if I talk about Find X, the OPPO Find X, they did a really kind of like other thing that nobody has even think about it. And actually this is the particular thing that everybody loves, and this is the main attraction of this phone. So actually this mechanism works like it will be having the phone like this, and if you have like your hand behind, then this is the kind of phone, right? Just take this as an example. When you just make sure that your camera is open, what it will do is that it will not show any kind of camera. The front and the back cameras, both of them will not be there. So what it does when you just open the camera application is that when it will be having the mechanism at the back like this, I will just do it like this, and it will come up like this from here to right here. So all that front camera and the back camera will be hidden in that mechanism, and that fantastic look, the fantastic amazing bezel-less beauty, it gives that OPPO Find X that hype that it is achieving right now. And it will be available on 25th of July on the Flipkart. So if you just want to just check out any kind of phone, you just go to Flipkart. So that is why it will be on the Flipkart also. Now if we just talk about its main attraction, its mechanism, its slider, that is the first main attraction according to anybody. This is the main attraction of that phone. Now the second main attraction of this phone is the bezel-less beauty. This is a bezel-less beauty. This is 94.8% screen to body ratio, and it is having the aspect ratio of 19:5:9, and that is too good. If you just see any kind of phone like that, then it will be looking something special. Now if we just talk about other main attraction, it's having 845 octa-core processor, it's having 16 plus 20 megapixel of primary and secondary camera with OIS with aperture of 1:2.0 and other of 2.2. This phone is powered with 8 GB of RAM, and it is also having 845 as I have told you, and it is having a storage of 256 GB. So it is a powerful phone with a powerful amazing RAM with storage, so you won't be just lagging in any kind of aspect with your phone. Now it also supports the fast charging and also the 3D recognition, that is something different from any kind of other phone. So all these things are just amazing. And if you just talk about this phone looks fantastic. And if you just go ahead and see its images, you will be seeing that this phone looks ridiculous. And if you just want to buy this phone, you can just buy, instead of buying that iPhone X, instead of that iPhone hype, you can just buy this phone, because this phone will give you all that features in one segment, and it's from OPPO. So you'll be getting 25 megapixel of selfie. So just think about it, and then just go with the iPhone, I guess, because if you just want a good phone, then go with that OPPO Find X instead of going with that iPhone. Definitely go ahead and check it out. If I just talk about its display, it's having full HD plus display and AMOLED display, and this is good. But the one thing that it lags behind is that it is Oreo 8.1. I'm just like shocked with this, because if you just get Android P in this, that would be the biggest thing that you could get in this phone, and this will be like other from any kind of phone, so it will be like awesome. It is also having a screen of 6.42 inches and the battery capacity of 3730 mAh battery. That is a powerful battery. So this is the word, the hype phone, and actually this whole phone is awesome, amazing and ridiculous amazing. Hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, also that subscribe button, and also that bell icon, so that you will be not missing any of the video whenever I will be uploading any kind of this amazing tech videos. That's all for today. Keep watching my channel. Also don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos so I get motivation from your support, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Spicy, Papa.